How we transformed a Formica table and gave it the look of a painted and wood distressed table. To get started, we deglossed the surface well, then we added the all-in-one stain in the color tobacco. After allowing the gel stain to fully dry overnight, we chose the soft neutral color almond from all-in-one paint to brush over the tabletop. Using our Syntec brush and our roller, we used the brush and roll technique. When brushing on the paint, we kept the grain of the table in mind, as well as working on one half at a time. Light pressure was applied with the roller when rolling back over the paint to softly smooth it out before we use our wet sanding technique. Next, we used a damp terry cloth towel to give the paint an aged and distressed finish. This wet sanding technique allows you to let your undercoat show through. To soften the final look, I used my dry roller and continued to roll over the surface to blend everything in nicely. And the beautiful results are in. Take a look at this marketplace makeover. Get more project inspiration and visit us at allinonepaint.com today.